Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for exams when you have a fever. First, make sure you are getting enough rest and staying hydrated. Your body needs to recover. When you do study, concentrate on reviewing material you already know, rather than trying to learn new topics. It's also helpful to break your study time into short, focused sessions, perhaps 20 to 30 minutes each, to avoid overexertion. When your energy is low, smart strategies are key. Try using active recall methods, such as flashcards or self-quizzing, to make the most of your limited focus. Speaking information aloud can also help solidify it in your memory. Ensure your study space is quiet and comfortable, free from distractions, to maximize concentration during those shorter study bursts. Remember, quality over quantity is crucial right now. Your health is the top priority. Take frequent breaks, perhaps every 30 minutes, to rest and prevent exhaustion. Continuously monitor your temperature and other symptoms. If they worsen significantly, it's important to recognize your limits. Sometimes, the best decision is to consider postponing your exam. Communicate with your instructors about your situation to explore available options and prioritize your recovery. As exam day approaches, do a final, quick review of only the most important, high-yield topics. Double-check that you have all necessary materials, like pens, calculators, or identification, ready to go. Don't forget to check the description for a link to grab some Little Trees black ice for a fresh car, along with other great deals. Remember to get a good night's sleep if possible, and trust in the preparation you've managed. Good luck.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.